Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you something very interesting, a YouTube niche that you can, start and be making a lot of views and of course earning good money. So I went online and I was imagining that what about starting a YouTube channel where all you do is to, heat and heat, cook meal, heat, and people will be watching. So I went to YouTube and I searched for eating channel, and this channel came up. Is owned by Spice ASMR. The other one here is also a village cooking channel. Though what they do here mostly, and the second one is that they cook the meal. But this person here is not cooking anything. So all she does is cook. I'll show you now. So this was posted 4 days ago, and you'll be wondering like, what's the point? What are people watching here? And you'll be shocked that people are watching. The way she's mixing this thing. I think I've shared a video like this, and the reaction is funny. The one I shared on Facebook was a guy that is eating all sorts of vegetables and fruits. He was eating cucumber, garlic, raw pepper, and that can be disturbing. You're like, how can this guy be coping with this? And some of these videos are getting massive views that you could not even imagine. I've seen videos here getting as much as 78 million views. People are really watching. I'm telling you, people are really watching. And this kind of channel ideas are not common in Africa. And this is an eye opener for for us too. We got to make this money together, and if you have the resources, you can go into this. All it takes you is to find different recipes you can cook, and once it is cooked, you don't have to know how to cook. Somebody will cook it for you. You set your table very well, put all the meals like you are doing a birthday or a ceremony, just like this, and you set the ball rolling. Enjoy yourself, eat as much as possible, and it's a video of how people watch your reactions. So the way you are, sometimes the sound, your gesticulation, your the way you are showing your face, the way you are munching, the way you are cracking those things. These are things that people, and interestingly, you see massive comments. I had to check some of these channels. I see the comments like people are like, who is here today? People are watching every morning. And this kind of contents are common with people in the Asia continent. You have people from China, from Japan. These people like food, and with their population, people are actually watching. So you can start this, and interestingly, some of them are not even in English. So that's the another interesting thing. So you can do it in your own local language. And another interesting thing is that some of them are faceless. Some are not showing their face, like the ASMR girl that initially showed. She's not showing her face, and of course, there are some that are even showing their face. They are even speaking other languages. So people might not really be interested in what you are saying. They are just watching what you are doing. Just like this TikTok guy. This guy can be lame. Guys? The guy is not saying anything, and people are watching his videos. So you don't have to know what to say. You don't have to kill yourself with presentation and all that. Just do your thing and watch how you could grow. And like I said, what it takes is the resources. Getting the meal. If you're an African, today you are cooking eba. If someone cooks eba, just have massive eba. Just your soup, your different. You can cook. You can different varieties. Sometimes do something. Just you funny things, strange things. Like you are eating a bread with gari and ewa, or you are eating spaghetti with fufu, with all those of things. I feel like this guy is wide, and you'll be surprised that you have subscribers. you have views, and you'll be growing. And one interesting thing about this niche is that you will not run out of ideas easily. You can, start a food eating challenge. There are a lot of contents around eating challenge. It's a social media world now. We are in a age where content creation is going rapidly, and a lot of people are getting on this, and you could be part of them. You can organize food challenge among your people, your family. I've seen interesting one by family, father, mother, and everyone on board. It's interesting. It's an interesting time. So that's what I felt like sharing with you. If you find this interesting, if you find it useful, subscribe to this channel. I'll do more of content like this where I share idea of what you can start on so many social media platforms, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and others. All right, guys.
Please follow me, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, and God go bless you.